I'm Zoe and welcome back to the LOPO's channel. Today we are going to talking about sublimation photo panel. Sublimation photo panels have been around for years and they have always been a favorite in sublimation industry. Why? Because they make it easy to turn photo into long-lasting display-worthy pieces of art. Today, two of the most popular choices are plastic photo panels and MDF photo frames. So in this video, we are going to compare them side by side so you can see exactly which works better for your projects. Alright, let's start with the printing progress, because that's where the real difference shows up. With MDF photo frames, you have to pay lots of attention with your temperature settings. If the temperature is too high, the surface can turn slightly reddish, which ruins the final look. And here's a key point. If you are unsatisfied with the printing result, you will have to replace the whole frame, since it's one-piece design. That means higher risk to test. Now let's compare that to plastic photo panels. These come with aluminum inserts, so if the print comes out wrong, no worries, just change the insert instead of throwing away the whole frame. It's super flexible and way more cost-effective, especially if you are testing new designs or printing in bulk. Let's look at the finished frames. MDF frames have that warm, natural, timeless wood look, while plastic photo panels offers a sleek, polished style. And comparing plastic photo panels to real wooden frames, plastic panels can give you a similar stylish look, but they are lighter and easier to work with. And when it comes to daily use, plastic photo panels totally have the upper hand. They are super light, easy to move around, and moisture-proof. No wrapping, no swelling, no worries. However, MDF frames can be sensitive to moisture. Prolonged exposure to humidity may cause wrapping. So, if you are looking for a photo panel that's durable, easy to print, and low maintenance, plastic photo panels really worth your attention. No matter your project, the right photo panel makes all the differences. Choose the solution that fits your style, budget, and audience. Ready to start creating? Click the link below to explore our full range of sublimation panels and bring your design to life. See you next time!